Hi, it's Julie from Uteach. Today we'll speak about 7 benefits of e-learning for teachers. If you're interested, let's get started. The first benefit that we can mention here is time saving. You can save a lot of time organizing your classes online. You can save a lot of time and resources, and in the end, you can have productive and useful classes. Benefit number 2, flexibility. E-learning allows agile and flexible management. You can organize your classes whenever and wherever it is convenient for you without any extra worries. Benefit number 3, more engaging classes. E-learning gives you opportunity to have more engaging classes and makes your students be actively involved in your learning and or teaching process. In this case, you give more individual approach to every student via chats or video calls, and in the end you have more tangible results. Maybe students will not agree with this, but believe me, it is useful both for you students and for you teachers. Benefit number 4, opportunity to grow skills. E-learning gives opportunity to multitask. We know that teachers spend a lot of time working with their students and they can find time to participate in workshops or take some trainings, but it is crucial both for teachers and for students. And in this case, we can suggest e-learning for teachers. If teachers organize their classes online, they can find some time to take some trainings or participate in some workshops, and they can brush up their knowledge from time to time, because you know that the world is changing so fast and teachers always need to be up to date. Benefit number 5, going global. We know that if we take some classes, if we get to work, or if we get a new occupation, we always want to be enough qualified for international market. In this case, e-learning gives us opportunity to go global, to reach global market. How? You know that you can take a lot of courses, a lot of trainings online. You just need to have good internet connection and your phone or computer. It is enough to go global. If you're a teacher, you have good qualifications, you can have a lot of students from other countries, and you can have the same productive and useful classes as you're doing with your local students. It's pretty simple, you just need to have good internet connection. That's it. Benefit number 6, receiving feedbacks. Feedback is crucial for your working style. You know why? Because your students can express their disappointment, disagreements via their feedback. Maybe someone doesn't like your working style, or maybe they just don't like the methodology you're using, or maybe they just don't like the atmosphere. So if you are interested in your students' opinions, you can collect them, you can check all your feedbacks, and you can do self-improvement based on the feedbacks. So we can conclude that feedback is the most important thing in your working style. Via feedback, you can do a lot of self-improvement. And last but not least, we have benefit number 7, which is customer loyalty. When you're graduating from your school or university, they don't keep your information digitally, they don't notify you about their upcoming events or or upcoming classes. Maybe you can receive from time to time invitation, etc., but they can't notify you daily. But when you're registering to an online school, you just fill all your information there, your phone number, your email address, name, surname, etc., and they can keep in touch with you. They can daily notify you about their upcoming events, upcoming classes, their novelties, and you can keep the connection between you and your online school. With these steps, we build customer loyalty. Thank you for watching. These were 7 benefits of e-learning for teachers. I'm sure you're intended to subscribe our channel because we have a lot of good upcoming videos for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.